Good morning, MrTieDye here, and we got these wild spiral tapestries I dyed up the other day. Promised you guys a video reveal, so we're going to open this thing up. Alright, well, let's just open a little bit and take a little peek in here. Oh yeah, we got some nice colors. Okay, I'll get set up and we'll open this all the way up. Okay, here we go, and this here is tapestry number 1, the first one that I dyed in the video. So, there we have the wild spiral in a tapestry. So I'll get all of these washed up and post them a little later. Okay, here's tapestry number 2, and this is the one where we just put the lines on going straight across, and then we flipped it over and we did them the other direction. So, on the first one, we started from the center and went out. So this here's tapestry number 2 of the wild spirals. So, yeah, we got some nice color. Okay, here we go. Once again, this is tapestry number 2. So, there we have it for the wild spiral. Okay, here's tapestry number 3 of the wild spirals, and this is the one we went from the center out, but this is one that I folded it into quarters, so there's going to be 4 spirals. And also I did the one solid black stripe that's coming out from the center, so that's the only color that I put on the same place in the top and the bottom of this. All the rest of them were the wild spiral design. So anyway, let's open this up and see what it looks like. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're going to have some great color in that one too. So hold on, I'll set up. Okay, so here we go. So like I say, there is the quarter spiral there. And then like I say, here we go. Open this all the way up. And there is the quadruple spiral, or the wild spiral. Okay, and as an added bonus here, I dyed up one more larger tapestry. This is one of the ones that's 58 inches by 90 inches, and this one I'm probably going to keep it, but if I get an offer I can't refuse after I post this, then I will go ahead and sell it too. But this is one of the big tapestries, and I folded it in half, so this is going to be a double spiral on here. And yeah, some nice good colors in there. So let me open this up. Okay, here we go. So there's the single spiral, and then it doubles. So there is the double spiral. And like I say, this one here I'm probably keeping, but if somebody really loves it and makes an offer, then I will probably accept it. Thank you for watching, and I'll have these posted a little later.